Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to show you how you can create many components. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. By the way guys, I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. You can download the book immediately. You will find the link in the description below if you want to make money online coding. So let's get started. First of all, in the index.js we only have one component, but we can create as many components as we want as long as we have all of them inside a parent component. So here the parent component is react.strict_mode. You can use another component if you wish, and you can even add all of your components inside another div here, and you can pass this user inside this div here, and you can create more than one user. You aren't only restricted to creating only one component. You can create many components of the same class. So here 2 and then 3, and if I save and go to the browser, you will find that we have now 1 and then 2 and then 3 components. So this is very important. You can create as many components as you want. You are not restricted to create only one component, and each component might have different properties. For example, the name here can be different. So here, instead of my name, you can here say Mark, and website something else, example.com, and here you can say Mercedes. And in the browser, you'll find that values are different. As you can see, values here are different, but the component is the same. So you can pass different data, which is awesome, using the properties. And also the properties can be empty for a certain component. Maybe you want to create a component with no properties. There's no problem with that. You can remove all of the properties and save, and it's going to display here. It's going to display a component, but there are nothing here because we didn't pass any properties. You can also you can display only one or pass only one attribute or one property. For example, maybe only you want to pass the website and then equals to e.com, and in the browser you'll find that we have here e.com. So there is no restriction about how many properties you can pass to a component, and you are allowed to leave some properties empty. There is no problem with that.